Other major news out of North Carolina today, the state just hit a new daily high in coronavirus cases at 1,289. The state says 9% of yesterday's tests came back positive. Hospitalizations also hit a new high today with 717. South Carolina also reporting a new daily high in cases at 447. More than 13,000 people have tested positive there in all. As of yesterday, the state has done more than 238,000 tests. And today we saw how high the demand for testing is in our area. All these cars lined up for mobile testing at Piedmont Medical Center in Rock Hill. Our South Carolina reporter Greg Suskin talked to people who aren't sick about why they want to get tested.
This is the first large-scale testing they've done for COVID-19 in Rock Hill. You can see they're set up here in the middle of the road. This is Frank Gaston Boulevard, right behind the hospital. Tents are set up there in the median, so people driving by on both sides can be tested.
Let me get your license.
For some, taking advantage of a free COVID-19 test means just one thing.
I just want to know. I just want to know.
A quick nasal swab, and even people who have no symptoms can find out if they have the virus.
You might be a carrier, so it's just good to know what your status is, because some people go around and they're asymptomatic.
Some have voiced concerns the test should be safe for people who are sick. But DHEC and health professionals at Piedmont Medical Center, where these tests are being done, say it's more about stopping the virus.
We have a lot of people that are non-symptomatic that are possibly positive in our community. So this will give us the information and them their information that they need to take the precautions that are necessary to stop the spread of this.
Piedmont has enough kits to do 1,000 tests, and any that come back positive give them a better sense of the spread of the virus and a more accurate number of cases. Jeanette Williams wanted to make sure she's not putting anyone else at risk.
If I go out into the public and not aware whether I have it or not, that I can infect someone else.
Crystal Snell works in a medical office and started feeling sick recently.
They asked me to come get tested before coming back to work, so that's why I'm here.
As cases have climbed, it's not clear how much of the increase is from more testing and how much is due to letting our guard down. DHEC is still urging people to wear masks in public and social distance, but we're not seeing that nearly as much now. People getting tested here today are being told they'll get their results back either Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, just 2 to 3 business days. That's about the fastest turnaround I've seen so far at any of these pop-up testing sites. Back to you.